Welcome to FAD Tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can make this 3D design in SolidWorks. So we are in SolidWorks now. So first of all, go to the file, new, part, okay. Then we have to go to the drawing. So this is our drawing. So we have to make a rectangle of 50, 70 and 30. Okay, so go to the SolidWorks. So select the front plane, sketch, and select the center rectangle. Okay, so smart dimension, so this is 70 and this is 30. Okay, and extrude up to if you open the drawing, so it is up to 50. Okay, so feature, extrude 50. Okay, now the rectangle is ready now. So if you open the drawing, so we will draw this triangle here. So its dimension is 20 and this dimension is 60 and this is 30. So 60 minus 30, so the difference is 30. Okay, so we will select mid plane, okay, right plane, okay, and sketch. Okay, and we will draw a rectangle from this end to this end, something like this. Okay, smart dimension 30. Okay, and extrude, how much extrude we have to mention? 20. Okay, so go to SolidWorks, feature, extrude base, and go to the mid plane and make it 20 and my result. Okay, this portion is ready. So if we open the drawing, we have to cut this portion 10 and 35. So open the SolidWorks, select this sketch and draw a center line here. Okay, go to the midline, something like this, and again midpoint line from here. Okay, and make it complete. Okay, go to the smart dimension. First of all, we have to check this is 10 and this is 35 and this distance is 15. So this distance is 10, this is 35. Okay, and distance from smart dimension, distance from here to here is 15. Okay, and go to the feature and extrude cut. So make it through all. So this sketch and design is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. I will upload a similar tutorial like this. Thank you for watching.